Good day everyone. Today we're diving into the latest trends in input and output devices. Let's explore what makes them stand out and why you want to consider them adding to your setup. First, let's hear from Mr. Ablen as he introduces us to our fantastic keyboard.
Closer look at Corsair's flagship mechanical gaming keyboard. The Corsair K95 RGB, does it live the hype? Let's find out. With its durable aluminum frame and Cherry MX switches, this keyboard delivers an exceptional typing experience, whether you're gaming or multitasking. It offers smooth and responsive performance. The vibrant RGB lighting isn't just for show, it's fully customizable to match your style. Additionally, the 6 dedicated macro keys allows you to program complex commands for efficiency. Comfort is also a priority, thanks to the detachable wrist rest which support long hours of gaming or work.
Thank you, Mr. Ablen. Now let's talk about a professional grade mouse that's turning head. To tell us more, here's Mr. Santoni.
Hello and good day, I am Prince Joshua A. Santumin, and in this section, we will discuss one of the top and the latest choices among professionals when it comes to mices. It is the Logitech MX Master Chi. Is it worth the price and the hype? Let's go! The Logitech MX Master Chi is a high-performance mouse crafted for professionals who demand precision and speed. With the MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel, you can scroll up to 1000 lines per second, perfect for skimming through long web pages, documents, or even code. You can switch up between ratchet mode if you want a precise line-by-line scrolling, and free spin for faster navigation. A horizontal scroll wheel located near your thumb allows an effortless side scrolling in spreadsheets, documents, and editing timelines in video or audio editing without depending on the on-screen scroll bar. It connects via a Bluetooth or USB receiver and can seamlessly switch up between 3 paired devices through its easy switch feature located at the bottom of the mouse. 6 programmable buttons and a customizable thumb wheel, all managed through Logitech options, make this mouse really highly adaptable. Its dark field sensors tracks on nearly any surface, even glass with 4000 dpi accuracy, perfect for workspaces where mousepad may not be available or convenient. Plus, it has a rechargeable battery and it can be used while charging. Thanks to the front-facing USB-C port, LED indicators indicates its battery level, red when low or under 10% and green when sufficient.
Thank you, Mr. Santomin. Now let's move on to headphones. That's perfect for both gamers and multitasking. Here to tell us more is Mr. Mendoza.
Hi, I'm Marky Mendoza, and I'm excited to introduce the Logitech G560 LightSync, the ultimate speaker for gamers and audiophiles alike. With 240 watts peak power and DTS:X ultra surround sound, it delivers an immersive 3D audio experience. Its LightSync RGB lighting reacts to your games, music, or videos, bringing your setup to life. The Bluetooth, USB, and AUX connectivity make it compatible with all your devices, while the built-in subwoofer ensure deep rich bass experience sound and lighting perfectly in sync with the Logitech G560 where performance meets style.
Thank you, Mr. Mendoza. That wraps up today's discussion on the latest trend in input and output devices. Each of these products offers something unique, whether you're gaming, working, or enjoying favorite music. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in next time.